Hello, it's me Raju Shrestha. I am hotel management lecturer in the British Gurkha College. I have been teaching hotel management subject in multiple teaching institutions since 2018. Now I am engaged in multiple plus 2 colleges, vocational training center and hotels. Regarding the scope of the hotel management subject, it is an extremely job oriented field where the knowledge and skills acquired in the hotel management degree are transferable all through the world. You can find and grow your career nationally and internationally in various operational aspects such as front office management, housekeeping, food and beverage service and food production department. Besides them, you can also grow your career in different sectors such as flight catering, casinos, cruise ships, recreational services, event management and teaching. At last, I want to say, if you are interested to join hotel management subject, please come in British Gurkha College. We are always here to welcome you and support you. Thank you.